Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to properly put adhesive strips on the back of your iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S Plus, or 6S battery. Pretty much any iPhone battery is what you're going to need. You're going to need a pentalobe screwdriver, which usually come with like screen kits, a suction cup, and a Phillips head screwdriver, a pry tool, and like a guitar pick to open your screen. Now, what you're going to want to do is take the two pentalobe screws out from the bottom, right on each side of your charging port, and then put the suction cup right below the home button, and you want to lift up on your screen just a little bit. Sorry about the camera angle. Once you get your pry tool in, you just want to go around your screen and easily pry it up. Sorry about the camera angle. My other camera broke, so then you just want to do both sides. Be very careful that you don't damage your screen if it is a working screen like mine. Now once you get that up, is what you want to do. Before you start anything, you want to hold your power button and shut your phone off. Wait for the backlight to go out before you open it. Now, you want to take this, lift up on your screen very slowly. Now there's going to be 4 Phillips head screws, 5, here, 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 and here. Make sure you get them in the correct order when you take them out. Set them on something and put them in the same order. It can be stubborn with those little ones, with those little screwdrivers. So I got a different set. And after this video, I will be making another one on how to change a screen as well, properly. Now you want to take a different pry tool. Don't use metal. And you want to disconnect those 4 connectors for your screen. There's one on the side and there's 3 underneath. Be very careful when you're taking them off. You don't want to damage the connectors if you don't have another screen. You can also take your suction cup off. There's usually a little knob. Comes right off. And your 4 connectors are turn a light on. The one here, 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 and here. Now after you do that, you want to remove this screw and this screw for your battery. It's nice to have a pair of tweezers as well. And then use this again. And you got a connector right here for your battery. Sorry this video is so long. Then you just unclip it. And if there's already adhesive strips on your battery, you can have 3 tabs. One here, one here, and one here. You want to peel that back, pull each one nice and slow, and it will remove the adhesive. Now mine, on the other hand, does not have adhesive. It has the leftover that the previous person put on. So you just want to do it very gentle. Now you want to make sure you get all the old adhesive out. So that's what it's going to do. Now, so you want to take this off. There's 2 sides to it. You want to take it and you want to make sure those black marks overlap. Then reconnect your battery first and set it in. Sorry, the wife came in. Then make sure you have your battery aligned properly, because if you don't, it could possibly cause damage, and we all know we don't want that. And then you can reconnect your screen. Do not use metal to reconnect your screen. You got 4 connectors that go in the same order as you took them out. I usually use my finger. And you will hear it click once you have it in properly. It will click. Do not force it. And then before you reassemble everything, power it on. See if she works. This is the same method to reinstall a new battery. So everything in this video is to install a new battery. Let it power on. Make sure everything works. Now once everything is determined working, power it back off. Wait for the backlight to go out. Once the backlight go out, open it up. And re-put this back on. Your battery cover. And then put this plate back on. Close it. Power it back on. Put your 2 pentalobe screws back in. And you're good to go. Please like, share, and subscribe.